Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're going to go over Matic. We perfectly came down to our 28 to 32 cent price target, and we started to bounce, completing our wave 5. And now it looks like we're making a 5-wave structure to the upside. So currently we're seeing at 40 cents. We're up 10.6 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 3.14 billion. Still relatively low 24-hour volume. I mean, we're in a bear market, so 452 million. If you're new to crypto.com, you know what to do. Sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So look at this. Wow, we're seeing a nice push right now for Matic. Just took 25% with our spot trade. We had an entry with our average price sitting at 0.356, and we're already up over 12%. So just locked in 25% profits here. And looks like Matic's seeing a nice push here off these lows. So look, we beautifully came down for our wave 5. Where do we come down to? 31 cents, right in between that 28 to 32 cent price target we've been covering on the channel. We're extremely oversold and we've started to bounce. So we're seeing a nice 5-wave move to the upside. So potentially, here's your wave 1. Here's your wave 2. Here's your wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we'll see if this is truly the wave 5, or if we continue to push up, we see an explosive move to the upside, then we'll have to look at a different wave count here. But I've been watching Bitcoin, and it looks like BTC has made a nice, oh, we broke the high. Wow, BTC broke the high. So this is the wave count that we're looking at here, where this is a larger wave 3, wave 4, and we're looking at a potential larger wave 5 here. We'll have to see how this plays out. Sometimes it's hard to count these smaller waves, but nice to see a nice push up here for BTC. So we'll hop back into Matic. So we'll see if this is our wave 5, or we'll have to look at a larger 1, 2, 3, 4. But we are pushing up to a level of resistance here at 40 cents. You can see resistance here, previous level of support. So I want to zoom out a little bit here for Matic. So here we are on the daily time frame. Look how beautifully we came down to that swing 4 low. I said, look guys, the C wave usually lands at the support or prior to the support of the wave 4. And that's exactly what we've done here. We've completed a beautiful 5-wave structure to the downside. We broke down from our ABCDE corrective triangle and beautifully met our target of in between 28 to 32 cents for Matic. Now, if you watch my BTC video, definitely recommend it. I do think a large bull trap is coming where we could see a nice push up. We might see Matic push up to, up to this wick here at 48 cents, quite possibly push up to 55 cents, and then come back down, in my opinion. I do think a massive bull trap will come. I do not think the bottom is in. If anything, we push up, we come back down, and we begin to consolidate, but I still think Matic could come down to 18 to 25 cents. If we look here on this chart, you can see we came right down to that beautiful level of support here. Let me actually drop in a box here of that 28 to 32 cent price target, and we've started to bounce. So we're starting to push through, just starting to push through a big level of resistance here. Let me drop in some price targets here at about 40 cents, and then your next major levels to watch here at about 47 cents, in my opinion, and then right here at about 56 cents. So I do think Matic could see a beautiful push up to these levels before getting rejected and coming back down. I wouldn't get super bullish unless we come up and we break about 70, 75 cents and see continuation to the upside, but I do not think this bear market is over, and I do not think we're going to see a V-shaped recovery here out of this bear market. But of course, anything can happen. But in the short term, we are seeing a beautiful 5-wave structure to the upside. So it looks like we may be looking to complete that final wave 5. So let's say our wave 5 were to end right here. What you can do is take your fib retracement from the bottom to the top, and you'd be looking for a wave 2 retracement to bring you in between the 0.382 and the 0.786. In between about 0.33 and about 0.36. So if you do see Matic start to get rejected here and we begin to pull back, look for support in between 0.33 and about 0.36. And then to measure wave 3, depends where this wave 5 ends. It hasn't ended yet, so we don't know. But if it were to end right here, you could take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top, and to the bottom of corrective wave 2. Let's say corrective wave 2 ends at 34 cents. You would target the 0.618 at 49 cents. And I think that lines up with the level of support and resistance. Let me pop over to the daily and see where we're at. Yeah, so we have that wick coming in at about 49 cents. So it's quite close to that wick there, and these previous wicks as well for our friend Matic. So we'll jump back over to the 4-hour time frame. We do have resistance here at 45 cents to watch as well. Actually, we have a nice bullish divergence. We created lower lows, higher lows on the 4-hour, and we're starting to bounce here. And I believe there was one. Was there one on the daily? Yeah, so there's one on the daily as well. So, oh, sorry, guys. As you can see here, lower lows, higher lows on the RSI. Early sign that the bears are running out of strength here on the daily. So we could see a nice push up to 45, 50, 55 cents for Matic before coming back down, in my opinion. The other scenario here is that we come down and we lose this low and we start to come lower, but I don't think it's a likely scenario. Look how powerful this move up is right now. Currently sitting at about 40 cents. So we'll see here if this is the end of the wave 5 and we start to pull back. But if we continue to push higher here, just wait till you start to see a pullback and try to get in on that wave 2 if you're looking to go long, in my opinion. But we do have a major resistance coming in here at about 40 cents. Beautiful how this played out. Our LE wave structure played out to a T, and we're starting to see that bounce. And as I mentioned in my Bitcoin video, we could see a nice push up to trap the bulls before coming back down, in my opinion. Making some juicy profits with our spot trades. Our Matic trade is in profit, as well as our Sol trade is in profit. The entry was 31 for a Sol, and 35.6 was our average price for Matic. I had closed 75% of my ADA short. We've been making some juicy profits shorting ADA, but it does look like a potential bounce is coming. So I took 75%, moved my stop loss to break even. It's all available at the $10 membership, as well as buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your positions. The DCA trade strategy, very simple method of trading, and over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And you can sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses. Sorry guys, fumbling my words a little bit. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.